Hi, WOWAPP is a revolutionary free platform that allows you to make money based on your daily activities. Once you make real money with WOWAPP, you have a choice. You can raise money for yourself or choose to benefit others by donating to one of almost 2,000 supported charities. How is it possible that the application pays you to use? Simply put, WOWAPP has its earnings and part of it gives users, plus a small part goes automatically to charity. What are the earning opportunities? Chat. Make money simply by staying in touch with your friends. Online purchasing. Make money through cashback when shopping at more than 10,000 online stores worldwide. Games. Make money by playing your favorite games. Immediate earnings. Make money instantly from your daily offers. Building a network. Build a network of people and generate passive income. Many people make the mistake of discouraging them by not making a lot of money right away. It takes a while. But it also depends on how handy you are. There are also people who can earn $200 for this app. And the best part is that you don't invest anything, everything is free. If you are interested in this application, you have a link to free registration below the video.